Hey, future homeowners, listen up. Big changes are coming to the real estate industry. So you're all set to find a dream home, but there's a catch. Before you even step through that front door, you got to sign a buyer representation agreement. Yep, you heard that right. No signature, no house. No house tour. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. But Hugo, can we just take a sneak peek inside? Nope, sorry folks. Starting August 17, 2024, realtors have to play by the new rules, and that means no unlocking doors unless you sign on the dotted line. It's non-negotiable. Trust me, we all check. Hello everyone, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I'm your friendly neighborhood real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and we also serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. I know this new rule might sound like a buzzkill, but hang in there. I'm here to explain why it's actually a good thing for you. Wait, what exactly am I signing? Here's what it is. The buyer representation agreement is like the ultimate friendship contract between you and your realtor. It spells out who is responsible for what and how your agent is going to get paid. The compensation and the commission stated is the maximum amount that the broker or agent can receive from the transaction. Think of it as the fine print in a dating profile. Only this one makes sure that everyone's on the same page. So, do I have to pay for this friendship? Well, yes and no. The agreement says that you're responsible for the commission. But here's the twist. Sometimes the seller or the listing broker picks up the tab and it's like going out for dinner. Someone else grabs the check, right? But here's a good example. Let's say that you are the buyer and is paying your realtor 3% for the service. But the property you like, the seller is willing to compensate 2% to the agent. That means that you are now only responsible for that 1%, which means it equals the 3%. If you're still scratching your head or wondering who's paying what, just give me a call and I got the details for you. How did we get here? Well, once upon a time, sellers pay the listing broker, who then share the love and the commission with the buyer's broker. But people started getting confused. This led into a misunderstanding that the seller paid the buyer's agent, which isn't entirely accurate. It was a misconception result in a class action lawsuit, and now we got new rules to keep things crystal clear. Thanks to the NAR settlement, we cannot advertise commissions on the MLS anymore, so it's time to lay everything out and be open. What if my agent and I aren't match made and have no worries? The agreement has an exit plan, so if things aren't working out, you can part ways. Just make sure to pick your agent carefully. Think of it like choosing a roommate for your next Netflix binge. The key points are the agreement can be as short and as long as you and your agent want, just like the perfect nap. Remember, the fine print might change depending on where you are, so double check before you sign. Communication is key. With all these changes rolling on August 17, you need a realtor who knows their stuff. This new buyer representation is just one of the pieces of the puzzles, but don't worry, I'm here to help you put it all together. If you're scratching your head over all of this, give me a call at 773-550-4846. I'll guide you through the process, hold your hand, and make sure that you're never alone in your buying real estate journey. I hope this video was education for you. If you think someone else is looking to buy, please share the video. It's important that everyone gets educated in this new rule, and everyone must know about it.